Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a reveal from Jewelry Candles. So they do have a line of some kids products and this is one of them. This is the Toy Doh Crazy Cool Cucumber, and there's a little toy hidden in here. They also have bath bombs with toys and slime that has a toy in it, and I've done one of those before even though it was a really long time ago. But I did buy one of the kids bath bombs and some of their other products. So I can feel it in there. I like that they put a couple different colors of Play-Doh in there. Oh, how cool. So it's a little superhero. This is Marvel Cyclops. And it's an actual metal heavy little figure, which is really neat. So the reason I ordered one of these is because I want to say they had an Alice in Wonderland one pictured on their website, and I have those that my mother-in-law gave me because I collect Alice in Wonderland stuff, and I'm pretty sure they were expensive, so I wanted to see if I would maybe get one of those. But Jackson's going to be happy with this guy, and like I said, it's metal, which is a pretty good idea because the Play-Doh doesn't really stick to it. And speaking of the Toy Doh, rather, it does feel exactly like Play-Doh. And they do have it scented, but it's very light. It's a light cucumber scent. And I'm pretty sure they have other scents, so I will put their website below in case you want to take a look at it. But they have bath bombs and other things for kids, slime and Play-Doh and all sorts of fun stuff. So Jackson's at school now. I'm going to go ahead and rebury him so that he can dig them out when he gets home. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!